right, we are going to be solving the question above, and this question is another important question for students studying electrical engineering under circuit analysis. And from our previous video we dropped, we have solved the case where we have two resistors in series. So this one is a case where we have three resistors in series, and then we want to find the voltage drop across 5 ohms. So how do we do this? All right, for us to solve this, let's say R1 is equals to 2 ohms. R1 is equals to 2 ohms. R2 is equals to 3 ohms, and R3 is equals to 5 ohms. R3 is equals to 5 ohms. All right, and the total voltage that is entering the circuit is 5 volts. All right, so for us to solve for the voltage drop across 5 ohms, which is V will be equals to R3 all over R1 plus R2 plus R3 multiplied by the what? The total voltage. Multiplied by the total voltage. All right, so if we substitute now, our V will be equals to R3 is what? Is 5 all over what? 2 plus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 5. All right, so 2 plus 3 plus 5 is what? Is 10. So we are going to have 5 over 10 multiplied by 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. 25 divided by 10 is 2.5 volts. All right, so it shows that the voltage drop across 5 ohms resistor is what? Is 2.5. all right, and if you also want to calculate voltage drop across 2 ohms, the formula will just become R1 over R1 plus R2 plus R3 multiplied by total voltage. If you also want to calculate the voltage drop across 3 ohms, the formula becomes R2 over R1 plus R2 plus R3 multiplied by what? The total voltage. And mind you, don't forget that we have a well-structured written material for you guys under circuit analysis on everything we have done so far. So if you want this material to be sent across to you, just go to our description, see a link that will direct you to our WhatsApp. Click on the link and send us a direct message on our WhatsApp, or you can also email us. So immediately we respond in no time, and then you have this material delivered into your inbox. And peradventure today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. And do well to like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget, share our content. Don't be what? Stingy with knowledge. Thank you.